Hi, I'm Nikki from Fine & Country and I'm here today at this beautifully presented 5-bedroom detached family home. The property offers 4,000 square foot of living accommodation, including a 19-foot indoor swimming pool. The property also benefits from its own separate double-storey 1-bedroom annex and large office space, both with their own separate entrances. Follow me and I'll take you for a tour inside. You join me at the end of the tour in the beautiful garden. If you would like more information or to arrange a viewing, please contact me with the details that follow.